Okay, number seven, let's look at this. So we got a 3-year GIC investment. What nominal rate compounded monthly would put you in the same financial position as 5.5% compounded semi-annually? So I'm actually asking you for what's the rate. So what's the equivalent rate? Okay, so remember, you're going to your formula package and you got to scroll further down to equivalent rates right here. Okay, so remember that's the new one, R2 over M2 equals 1 plus R1 over M1 to the exponent of M1 over M2 minus 1. So R2 is the new one. The new one, the new rate I'm looking for is compounded monthly. So I'm looking for R2. I'm looking for when it's compounded monthly. Right now, the original is 5.5%. So remember, that's going to be 0.055, and it's originally compounded semi annually. So we've got 2 over 12 minus 1. So leave the left side alone. So we've got R2 over 12 equals. So I'm just on my calculator inside the brackets, 0.055 divided by 2 plus 1. So that part inside the brackets is 1.0275. I'm going to reduce the 2 over 12 to 1 over 6. You don't have to do that. It's up to you. Okay. So what I'm going to do actually is I'm going to say something. I'm going to do something else at this point. So I'm not going to do the 2 divided by 12. If you want, you or 1 over 1 divided by 6, you can. I'm going to leave this alone, the left side. I'm going to actually on my calculator go 1.0275 exponent bracket 1 divided by 6. Close the bracket equals. And then I'm going to go subtract 1. Okay, so it's up to you if you want to do that. So I've got 0. So this part right here all worked out to 0.00453 uh, 2 basically over 1. Remember, you're going to cross multiply at this point. So I'm just going to go times 12. So my new rate is as a decimal 0.05438. Remember, multiply by 100. So times 100 because I want to know the percent answer. So that's 5.44%. So we're saying, let's just scroll down, scroll up. So originally I was getting charged 5.5% compounded semi-annually. It would be the same 5.44% if it was compounded monthly. That's the same rate uh, using a different compounding period monthly. Okay, so number 11. So we're saying you are offered an introductory rate of 8.25% compounded annually. What's the equivalent rate compounded monthly? Okay, so we're still using that same formula. So we've got R2, what I'm solving for. I want to know monthly. 1 plus my original is 0.0825 compounded annually. Let me just erase here a little bit. The exponent, remember, it's going to be m1, which is 1, over m2, which is 12, and then minus 1. Okay, so I'm just going to leave the left side alone. So I've got R2 over 12 equals, and then I'm going to work out the inside of the bracket. So 0.0825 divided by 1 is the same, so plus 1. So I've got 1.0825 to the exponent of 112 minus 1. I'm going to do what I said earlier. I'm going to just do this to the exponent of bracket 1 divided by 12, close the bracket equals. So that's what I'm doing here. And then I'm going to go subtract 1. Okay, so that works out to 0.006627, um, 97. Okay, put a 1 over it, cross multiply. So I've got an R2 that's equal to 0.0795. Remember, you're going to multiply by 100 to switch it to a percent. So I've got 7.95%. So let's see what that is compounded monthly.